Good weekend day, everybody. Good Friday. Whoa, good Friday morning. Yes. Oh, it's looking pleasant. It's not too bad. I think I'll just go and put some stuff in the back of the car and de-ice that thing. I'll shut this window. This door, I mean. I was up at 2 o'clock this morning as it happens, and it was very little snow about. So this is kind of the front end of it. I think this is the start of it. Extra clothing in the back of the car. Turn the wipers off. Let's get the thing going. It's not too bad actually. It's not looking too bad. I mean, that wind's coming right on my leg now, but it's not as bad as we expected. But we will be setting out a little bit earlier, so right, we'll get ready. Moving on. you've just seen there was my 2 hours 15-minute journey into work this morning. Now, slight difference because it was snowing and it was slippy. Hi guys, that was strange. I don't know what happened then. The camera turned off. I'm assuming it's because it was too cold. I've left it in the car all day. Yeah, what I was saying was, I think, try to recap. Yeah, I dropped my Chelle off this morning because it was quite slippy and I'd rather drop it off at work and be late than have my Chelle struggling into work in the snow and she's not happy about it. So I dropped her off this morning and it took me 2.5 hours, 2 hours 10 minutes was that journey this morning. And what I was going to say was, let's see how long it takes her to get back. Now, I've already been and run an errand. I've been to Tesco's to pick up a click and collect. And now I've heard, although the roads are quite quiet, I've heard that there's an accident in the way I'm heading. But the alternative is to go through the country roads, and I know that they won't have been gritted, so I ain't going that way. So I'll just have to hope that the accident's cleared before I get there. And there's a plough. The gritters are right at least. So, yep, off to pick my Chelle up. Moving on. Oh, it's Friday. Yeah, weekend day. Moving on. Well, the radio wasn't wrong. There's definitely something up here. Bit of an accident. We're just going past what they call the Radio Trumpton, but it's actually Trump's golf course. Yeah, we're running slow. Never mind. Not doing too badly actually, considering I've been to the supermarket already and we're on our way back to pick my Chelle up. It's only 4:05. I was hoping to get to Michelle's works before it went dark, but nah, that ain't gonna happen now. But we're moving. Anyway, moving on. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see the flashing lights in front. What? Maybe a dozen or so cars away from the accident and they've just shut the road. It looks like they're trying to move the car off the road. So consequently, we can't get past because there's people in the road. Looks like they're taking people out of it as well. But yeah, I'm sitting here and the wind's rocking this car. Yeah, there's a lot of people walking about. It looks like, I'm just wondering if there's been another accident. Because they're definitely ferrying people across the road. Yep. Perhaps we'll move in a bit. Okay, if you look down there now, that's the truck coming to actually pick it up. So we're moving. That, guys, is why they're building a dual carriageway along this road. It's queued up. Aren't you? Then at least you got a 50-50 chance of the accidents on your side of the carriageway or not. But yeah, with that, moving on. And look who's got in the car. I thought you had your hair up in the bun then, which is your actual hat, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Got a Harry Potter hat.
It's not a Harry Potter hat.
What is it?
It's I can't remember where the quote comes from, but
it's Harry Potter then. Oh well, off home, Friday night. I think we'll go home and have some Vino and stay in. Is the heating on?
I'm just about to turn it on.
Moving on. Okay guys, that's me home, or us home should I say. An hour and a half to get home, but that's running few errands, picking my Chelle up, so it's not too bad at all. There's not that much snow, or it doesn't appear to be that much snow, mainly that's because it's drifting, probably all blown away. Anyway, get the shopping in and relax. Moving on. Is that it?
Yeah.
Setting for the night.
Yeah. Assume the position, I'm not moving.
You will be getting up for getting me some wine after, won't you?
Oh yeah, I'll put you.